Imagine eating a simple triangle chip that was created in a factory where machines never stop, even for a single second, and over 50,000 chips can be made every single hour. Now imagine this. Every Dorito you eat is shaped, cooked, and coated with such precision that even a 1-second delay in the process can ruin an entire batch worth thousands of dollars. But here's the crazy part. These chips aren't randomly made. They're engineered to hit your brain with the perfect crunch, flavor, and satisfaction every single time. So, how does a handful of raw corn turn into one of the most addictive snacks in the world? And what actually happens inside those high-speed factories that no one ever shows you? Before we go inside, if you want to uncover more insane factory secrets like this from infusions and elements, make sure you hit subscribe, because what you're about to see is just the beginning. Doritos look simple, just chips, right? But the truth is, they go through a process so controlled, so fast, that even a tiny mistake could ruin thousands of chips instantly. So how do factories maintain this level of perfection at such insane speed? Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1, the beginning raw corn transformation. Everything starts with whole corn, not the kind you boil at home, but specially selected industrial corn, designed for consistency. These corn kernels are first cleaned, removing dust, stones, and anything unwanted. Then they are sent into giant stainless steel tanks. Here's where things get interesting. The corn is cooked and soaked in a process called nixtamalization. This isn't just cooking, it's a chemical transformation. The kernels are soaked in hot water mixed with lime. This breaks down the outer shell and unlocks flavor, texture, and nutrients. Without this step, Doritos wouldn't have that signature taste or crunch. The corn sits there for hours, slowly softening, becoming something completely new. Step 2, grinding into dough. After soaking, the corn begins its next transformation. At this stage, the kernels are no longer hard. They've turned soft, almost like a thick paste. Now they enter massive industrial grinders. These machines crush the softened corn into a smooth, dense dough known as masa. It's warm, slightly moist, and carries that familiar smell of fresh corn tortillas. But here's what makes this step insane. These grinders never stop. They run continuously, day and night, turning out huge amounts of dough every single minute. Imagine trying to do this at home, making dough non-stop without a break for 24 hours straight. That's the level of production happening here. And the craziest part? The texture has to stay perfectly consistent, or the entire batch can fail. Now think about this. Do you think machines can make better dough than humans, or not? Step 3, shaping the perfect triangle. Now comes the most iconic part of the entire process, the triangle shape. This is where Doritos truly start to look like what you recognize. The freshly prepared mesa dough is first spread out into thin, even sheets. These sheets move forward smoothly on high-speed conveyor belts, without stopping for a second. Then comes the precision moment. The dough passes through powerful cutting machines designed to stamp out perfect triangles, not random shapes, not uneven cuts. Every single piece is identical, almost like it was copied and pasted. These machines work with insane accuracy. They press down, cut, and release over and over again without slowing down. And the speed? It's faster than your eyes can fully track. Thousands of triangles are created every minute, all moving in perfect rhythm, like a synchronized system. But what about the leftover dough? Nothing goes to waste. Every extra piece is instantly collected, recycled, and sent right back into the process. It's efficient, precise, and almost flawless. Now think about this. Why do you think Doritos are always triangle-shaped instead of any other design? Step 4, the first cooking stage, baking. Before frying, the chips are baked. Yes, baked first. The raw triangles move through large industrial ovens. Hot air flows evenly, removing moisture from the dough. This step is crucial. It prepares the chips for frying, ensuring they don't absorb too much oil later. Without this step, the chips would turn greasy and soft, but factories want one thing: that perfect crisp. Step 5. Deep frying where the crunch is born. Now comes the transformation. The partially baked chips drop into massive frying machines filled with hot oil. The oil temperature is precisely controlled. Too hot, they burn. Too cool, they stay soggy. Inside these fryers, something magical happens. The chips puff slightly, their surface bubbles, and that golden color begins to appear. This entire frying process? Just a few seconds. That's it. In less time than it takes to read this sentence, a raw piece of dough becomes a crunchy chip. Step 6. Removing excess oil. Once fried, the chips aren't ready yet. They move on to vibrating conveyors. These machines shake off excess oil, ensuring every chip has the same texture. Too much oil? It ruins the crunch. Too little? The seasoning won't stick properly, so factories balance it perfectly, every single time. Step 7. The flavor explosion. Now comes the part everyone waits for: the seasoning. This is where Doritos become Doritos. The chips enter massive rotating drums. Inside, a blend of spices is sprayed and tossed evenly. Cheese powder, salt, flavor enhancers, secret ingredients. Each flavor has its own unique mix, carefully measured and controlled. And the distribution? Almost perfect. Every chip gets coated evenly, no matter how fast the process is moving. Think about it. Millions of chips, each with the same flavor intensity. That's not cooking anymore. That's engineering. And here's something most people don't realize. Every snack you eat has a hidden story like this. Factories like these are running 24/7, creating the things we consume without ever thinking about how they're made. If you're enjoying uncovering these factory secrets, and you want to see more behind-the-scenes processes like this from infusions and elements, make sure you hit subscribe and support the channel, because every single subscribe helps us get closer to monetization and bring you even more insane factory content you won't see anywhere else. Step 8. Cooling down, locking the texture. After seasoning, the chips are still warm. They move through cooling tunnels. Cold air circulates rapidly, bringing the temperature down. Why? Because packaging hot chips would trap moisture and ruin the crunch. This step locks in the crispness. That satisfying crunch sound you hear, it's finalized right here. Step 9. Quality control, the invisible checkpoint. Before packaging, every batch goes through inspection. Some factories even use cameras and sensors. These systems check for broken chips, uneven color, incorrect shapes. Anything that doesn't meet the standard is removed instantly. No second chances. Because consistency is everything. Step 10. Packaging at insane speed. Now comes the final stage. The chips move toward packaging machines. These machines don't just fill bags, they calculate weight in real time. Each bag gets the exact amount. Not too much, not too little. Then the bags are sealed within seconds. The speed? Faster than most people can count. Hundreds of bags, every minute. Each one filled, sealed, and ready to ship. Surprising reality check. Here's something that might surprise you. A single factory can produce tens of thousands of bags in just 1 hour. That means, while you're watching this video, millions of chips are being made somewhere in the world, non-stop, day and night, building suspense, the bigger picture. Now think about this. Every Dorito you eat started as a raw corn kernel. It went through heat, pressure, chemicals, machines, and precise timing, down to seconds. One small mistake in temperature, one delay in timing, and the entire batch could fail. Yet, it almost never does. Because these factories operate like perfectly synchronized systems, almost like a machine with no room for error. So the next time you open a bag of Doritos, you're not just eating a chip. You're experiencing a process that combines science, engineering, and speed at a level most people never imagine. From raw corn to a perfectly seasoned triangle, Every step is designed for one thing: perfection in every bite. And the truth is, this is just one factory. There are thousands more, hiding even crazier processes. If you want to see what really happens behind the scenes and uncover more insane factory secrets with infusions and elements, make sure you hit subscribe, because the next secret might completely change how you see everyday things.